How to clear Chrome caches in your Windows 10 or PC. So in this video tutorial we are going to talk about I'm going to talk about how you can clear the your Chrome caches in Windows 10. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome first, and this is my Chrome. And in Chrome there is a no history, or you can say caches, or you can temporary files. You can see the temporary file, it is saved by default, but you can clear if you want. So I'll show you how you can do this. So just open your Chrome browser and just click on this three dot option, go to the settings. Under setting, go to the privacy and security here, and here you can see the option called clear browsing data. Okay, just click on it, and here you can see the option called basic and advanced. In basic you can see only three options, where you can clear cookies and other site caches, images, and browsing history. In advanced you can see the few more options like autofill data, password, cache images, cookies, and all. Okay, so how you can clear the caches, I will show you. So if you want to clear caches only, then you have to check mark on this option, and here you can see this is my caches, image, and all file, and I have 58 MB caches right now. Okay, so you can also create history and all. You have to just click check mark on this option. But if you want to only clear the caches, just tick mark this option only. And here you can see some site may be load more slowly if you uh, you know clear the caches. Okay, so there is a time range also. You can also select the time range. If you want to clear only last hour's caches, then select the last hour, or last 24, or 7 days, or 4 week, or all time. All time means you're going to clear all caches. Okay, so now just clear data, then your all browsing caches will be clear. Okay, I don't want to clear it, so just clear data. So I just do. Okay, so it is clear now, and you can see the uh, caches has been clear. So that is how you can clear the Chrome caches in Windows 10 on PC. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.